Breaking news on ending Edo Assembly crisis keeps 14 lawmakers away. Hello, my wonderful people. The crisis continues in Edo State House of Assembly. This crisis has been on since the days of Adams Oshiomhole as the NWC chairman of APC. And guess what? The crisis continues. It was Adams Oshiomhole who told these duly elected lawmakers to stay away from when to be inaugurated because the inauguration was going to be done by Obaseki. Oshiomhole told them at the time that Obaseki was going to stop being the governor and that they were already calculated plans starting from the primaries to get rid of him. However, things turned around. Obaseki went to the umbrella when the broom pushed him away. And guess what? Lo and behold, he's still the governor. Now there are stipulated times as when to these people should be inaugurated. They refuse to show. So it lies on them. And guess what? They have been shown the red card. So they are still struggling to be inaugurated. However, Governor Gordon Obaseki has refused them being inaugurated. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. The lingering crisis in the Edo State House of Assembly, where 14 members are still waiting to be inaugurated 3 years after winning election, has become the current point of discord in the state. The crisis rocked the Edo House of Assembly has so far defied solution despite spirit attempt by stakeholders to find out a way and allow the 14 lawmakers who were not inaugurated to be sworn in and take their seats in the House, with their seats already declared vacant after they failed to show up over a period of time stipulated by law, 180 sitting days. It was clear that the court, which the government and the 14 lawmakers has approached in this matter, remain the only solution to resolve these impasses after political solutions seem to have failed. The 14 lawmakers has been shut out of the House have continuously claimed that the inauguration, which took place in the dead of the night with 10 members in attendance, remained controversial. They stated that the proclamation, which should have preceded the inauguration, was not properly served, while questioning the rationale behind the late night inauguration supervised by Governor Godwin Obaseki. The lawmakers elect, who are members of opposition party in the state, the All Progressive Congress, were not sworn in because they were said to have been loyalists of the former governor of the state, Adams Oshiomhole, who at the time had fallen out with Obaseki, his political godson. Funny enough, Obaseki was also member of the APC at the same time when the inauguration went on and they refused to be inaugurated. Any hope that the crisis may be resolved finally has evolved last week with the deputy governor of the state, Philip Shuaibu, ruling out a political solution to the crisis, thus sealing the faith of the 14 members. That declaration made by the deputy governor last Saturday at the maiden meeting of the Edo State House of Assembly Former Members Forum held in Benin also brought the matter to the front burners once again. The deputy governor said it was too late for the forum to seek political solution to the legislative impasses because the case rested with the judiciary, as the governor is not empowered by law to issue proclamation twice. This has continued as he said they listened to the counsel of Adams Oshiomhole, who encouraged the 14 legislator duly elected not to make themselves available for inauguration, so it's their own fault. So, the crisis continues. It has become a serious bone for contention. A lot of persons have been asking, so what's the way forward? This crisis has lingered on. It has become a real issue right now because the 14 lawmakers are really waiting to be inaugurated. You know what it feels like. But again, when you look at it, according to Philip Shuaibu, they refuse to present themselves for inauguration. So Philip Shaibu last week Saturday was of the opinion that whatever has happened, it's their own fault, and they should have themselves to blame. So this is the real bone for contention. This is the real issue at the moment. The 14 lawmakers, I don't understand their state of mind at this point in time. They duly contested an election, won, but never saw the seat, courtesy of Adams Oshiomhole, who is now, no longer the APC chairman and also looking for greener pastures himself. Adams Oshiomhole is being said that is currently going for the House Senate position. I mean, he has served as a two-time serving governor. He has been APC NWC chairman until he's burst out of office, and a lot of water has gone down that bridge. However, the people, according to them who were advised not to present themselves for inauguration, remain in the state of dilemma. And Obaseki seemed to be getting the bond, as they say. Obaseki is the one who has refused to inaugurate them, and the case remains that the people who were inaugurated at night. Who does that? And they said they were not duly served. Again, these are going to be opposition to Governor Godwin Obaseki, and as it is, instead of bad thing to happen, make rain fall. So rain don't fall now. Obaseki don't see convenient excuse as they refuse to present themselves. The onions therefore lies on them because they refuse to present themselves. Obaseki did not ask them not to present themselves. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So Obaseki did not ask them not to present themselves. So I mean, the issue now is a very serious one, as everybody, particularly now, is not very sure of what is happening next. Everybody is just all here and there wondering what next. How these guys are very perplexed at the moment, and if they could go back in time, I believe they would do something to change the course of things. But sadly, the thing with time, it just keeps ticking away. It just keeps ticking away. So, I mean, Philip Shuaibu not even cemented their faith by saying that they will not be inaugurated because of the Baseki is not instigated by law to do that twice. So it is what it is. Obaseki Oshomole's crisis has now affected other people. You see, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.